Welcome to the JMT.
People, we greet now. We welcome now once again to this our channel. Make now do it always. Follow us, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to on that your notification bell so that as our news they enter your phone, you go they receive one as if say na alert. On today's news, we all know this popular Nigerian artist wey dog by Mohbad. In wife don't dey on tension since as they tell her say make she go do DNA test for the pikin, even the papa of the person. So the Nigerian artist wey don't quite come and say he want see the DNA of that pikin wey he get for Mohbad. Now the matter we don't dey on since the sister. So Mohbad wife don't come out to they talk different things. He talk say why they go talk that kind of thing, why they go say we go do DNA test for the pikin. If they find DNA test, that means Papa Mohbad too go do DNA test. She can still come again no to talk say if anything happens to her sister, say the US government they are already aware. She can still come out again. They talk say you know different type of infections where her sister don't carry because say in the marry Mohbad, late Mohbad. My people, this matter is long. Carry kill leg and it carry straight leg. Join IT. I want to play on the video. Make una hear where should they give different story concerning her sister.
I don't understand English. You sabi write up very well. You will now go back again. I want you, I challenge you, I want you to go back and write again. How you want to conduct a positive result DNA on a child that his grandmother was accused of infidelity while she was married to his grandfather. I want you to analyze that for me. You are proving that you are smart, right? So, as regards that, we are going to DNA. I don't know how we are going to go about that. Because you are just shouting DNA. Which specimen do you want to use? The specimen of the disease, right? Okay, no problem. We can talk to the government about that. We will talk to the government and the experts when the time comes. Wunmi is not saying she's not doing DNA. If there is a need for it in the court, when the case is ongoing, she will do it. So when we get there, we are going to tackle liar. We will there. Josie and Mohbad DNA one side. Liam and Mohbad DNA another side. No Josie and Mohbad DNA, no Liam and Mohbad DNA. So Josie, let something happen to Wunmi. All of you, Lagina, let something happen to Wunmi and Liam, or let something happen to Mohbad's family. They are very much aware of Mohbad case. When I got there, they were like, Mohbad, yeah, so sad. Accept our condolence. So they are aware of everything going on. They know Mohbad and they were strike like that. But they are watching. Mohbad. Abi family Mohbad kokon. Yomi Fabi, I don't have problem with you. I'm not even going to waste my energy. You say lie. Okay. They play. Maybe when I show you the police report.
People, open I don't watch the video and I don't hear what she talk. And I think say all this matter arising where she they bring every new day. So go make her stop people to ask her where she not go do DNA. Abi she gets another agenda. I beg make not drop on a comment for comment section. Make not forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make not always do where to stay safe. Una do. DJ